Watchdogs see something going around that could be construed as dangerous, they send out the system of yips and everyone goes rushing down into the burrows really quickly. These guys are also a keystone species, which means that their entire ecosystem depends on them. So a lot of people think of a keystone species as being an endangered species like the wolves in Yosemite, but these guys actually aren't endangered at all. They're considered pests actually in the Midwest where they're native to because they like to steal the farmers' crops. But these guys provide food and housing for a lot of other endangered species, like the very critically endangered black-footed ferret. So without the prairie dogs, that whole ecosystem would collapse. They wouldn't have any burrows for the snakes, the ferrets, the burrowing owls. Everybody else depends on these guys really heavily. So it looks like they're pretty hungry. Oh, they're called dogs because when the English settlers were starting to explore the country and settle in the West, they heard all these yips going around and all this barking, and they were like, oh, there must be dogs out here in the prairies where they're native to. And it turns out it was these guys, so they called them prairie dogs. These guys are rodents, so their teeth are constantly growing, which means